Alright, so we're on to part 2 of installing the roll cage. We had to paint the floorboard from where we ground off all the sound deadener, so all 4 corners are back painted. We got the roll cage back from powder coating. And he went with the silver vein. We got the bars welded up and the whole thing is powder coated and it looks good. We got the lower plates here all painted and we're about to put it in the car. Ow, stupid ass. Don't sit on it. Alright, hump. Get over the hump.
Alright, put the e-brake down.
I put it down last time. I tripped over the stupid thing every time. Alright, we gotta do the quarter plastic?
Yeah, we gotta set this up in the rear seat hole.
I see why people leave the damn plastic out.
Yeah, me too.
So we gotta flip the seatbelts up over them when we get closer back in there. The front seatbelt here. The back ones should go up over it by themselves where they're located. It's a whole lot of oh yeah, parking cars are full of it. Alright, so we set the cage in with the quarter plastics. And we're about to put the plates that go under the floorboard there and all the bolts that pass through. You know, in the last video we already drilled all our holes if you haven't seen that. We test fit the whole thing in the last video, but so this should be straightforward until we get to the door bars, and then we haven't prepped anything for that. But cage is in, we're about to bolt it down and finish putting the plastics on and the seat belts. And alright, we got the roll cage bolted down with the little pinch plates. I'll show you under here. And then the diagonal bars have a pinch plate that go right there. Jeremy's tightening, torquing the other side. Now we still got to do the diagonal bar that goes from here, the door bar, all the way up to the front. Alright, so we got everything painted. We're about to put the wheels back on. We got to put all the rear plastic back together and the carpet back in before we can do the front bars. So we're going to do that real fast. Alright, so we got the front door bar mounts put in. Both sides, the bolts through and they're torqued, and we gotta lay the carpet back down, put the seats back in, and then we can put the door bar on. But we're almost done. Alright, so we got it all done. The carpet's back in, seats. That makes it a lot easier to get in and out of the car. We tried to get in with the bars in. It's a nightmare. But yep, it's all done. It fits good. The back seat's not in, but it was out before we even started this. So they're at Jeremy's house. He'll have to put them back in later. But the fitment's good.